millimeters, measuring letters, meters, centimeters too. Measure length, it's what they do. From a pencil to a tree, we use them all so easily. Meters, centimeters too. Measure length, it's what they do. A meter stick is very grand. 100 centimeters in your hand. 10 millimeters in a cm. Use them all, you'll understand. Grams and kilograms we know. Measure weight, they're in tow. Weigh an apple or a pear. Grams and kilograms are there. 1 kilogram's quite a heft. 1,000 grams, nothing left. Use a scale, make it great. Measure things, check their weight. Liters, milliliters too. Measure volume, yes they do. Pouring water in a cup. Measure how it's filling up. 1 liter has 1,000 mils. 1,000 mils, 1,000 mils. Use a jug to measure fills. Volume's easy, no more spills. If you measure and you know it, clap your hands. Length and weight and volume, understand. Use your units every day. Watch the numbers as they play. If you measure and you know it, clap your hands. Meters, grams, and liters too. Centimeters, milligrams, milliliters, who knew? Who knew? All these units help us out. Measure here, there's no doubt. Learning them is fun, hooray! Measure something new today.